You open your eyes, stretch, and try to push yourself out of bed, only to find your legs feel incredibly heavy. Getting upright requires effort, and those first few steps feel unsteady and weak. The common reaction is to brush this off as an inevitable part of getting older. Society tells us that waking up with tired, uncooperative legs is just what happens after 60, a symptom we simply have to accept. The biological reality is different. After a full night of sleep, your body has gone 8 to 10 hours without any fuel. Your system is essentially running on empty the moment you wake up. If you compound that fasting period by skipping breakfast or relying on nothing but a cup of black coffee, you force your body to remain in a severe energy deficit at the exact moment it needs fuel to start moving. This timeline chart of overnight blood nutrient levels reveals the consequence. As your energy stores deplete, your muscle mass drops into this red catabolic zone. To survive, your body breaks down its own muscle tissue for energy, often targeting the muscles in your legs first. By keeping this chart on screen and zooming out over weeks and months, we see the cumulative impact. Allowing this breakdown to happen every morning creates a downward staircase effect, steadily eroding your strength over time. Morning leg weakness is a daily biological deficit. Because it happens on a daily cycle, you can intercept the breakdown process within the first 60 minutes of waking up. The reversal process starts before you even reach the kitchen. The immediate first step is rehydrating your system with a glass of warm water right after waking to wake up your digestive tract. While still lying in bed, spend a few minutes gently moving your legs. This simple motion stimulates blood flow into the muscle tissue before you attempt to bear your full body weight. Next, expose yourself to early morning sunlight. This natural light exposure supports your body's vitamin D levels, a nutrient that helps govern muscle tissue health and function. These physical actions act as a primer. They wake up your vascular and nervous systems, ensuring that when you finally introduce food, your body can more efficiently distribute the nutrients needed to halt muscle breakdown. Inside the kitchen, the focus shifts toward flipping the biological switch from muscle wasting back into muscle synthesis. Whole eggs are an effective tool for this purpose. They contain a dense concentration of high-quality protein, along with B12 and vitamin D, directly addressing the overnight deficit. Eggs also provide a specific amino acid called leucine. Leucine acts as the trigger that initiates the rebuilding of leg muscle fibers, helping to support physical balance and steadiness. If you prefer an alternative, plain Greek yogurt without added sugar is another high-quality protein source for early morning muscle recovery. Greek yogurt extends its benefits beyond muscle repair. Its specific nutrient profile supports bone density and introduces beneficial bacteria to keep your digestive tract functioning smoothly. Front-loading your morning with these specific proteins provides the structural materials required to halt the overnight catabolic cycle and begin the day's repair. With the breakdown halted, the focus shifts to ongoing muscle mechanics. Adding oatmeal provides complex carbohydrates for steady, slow-release energy that powers your legs throughout the day. This animated cross-section of a muscle fiber shows how to address painful nighttime leg cramps. By eating potassium-rich bananas and magnesium-rich chia seeds, you supply the ions seen here moving across the membrane, which regulates smooth muscle contraction. A quick medical note: individuals managing diabetes or kidney issues must consult their doctors before significantly increasing their intake of high-potassium foods like bananas. You can complete this protective dietary profile later in the day. Sweet potatoes provide nutrients for sustained circulation, while fatty fish like salmon deliver omega-3s that help manage age-related tissue inflammation. Protein helps rebuild structural tissue, while this combination of complex carbs, minerals, and healthy fats supports the muscle's daily mechanical function. Intentionally curating the first 60 minutes of your day allows you to address your body's energy deficit and neutralize the natural muscle wasting process that occurs during sleep. Your body never loses its biological capacity to rebuild physical strength. It simply needs proper daily fuel to maintain structural integrity. Addressing that initial heaviness and unsteadiness provides a foundation for more consistent strength and balance as you move through your morning. A strategic, science-backed morning routine serves as a practical, daily foundation for seniors who wish to maintain their physical independence.